kung sino man po ang nakakilala kay Miss Junida Piteros, kung maaari lang po ipagbigay alam sa kinauukulan dito po sa 0927-374-4853. Firefly, kung nasaan ka man, sana okay ka at gusto kong muna na-miss kita at exclusive lang sa para sa'yo. Kung nagkakamali ka man at ako, sana lumipas na ang oras o panahon, sana harapin na natin ito, diba? Please, Firefly, Junida Piteros, please, kung sino man po, okay? Okay. You and I will always be. Please naman anyone from Cebu, from Camotes, Cebu, or from Singapore, whatever, please, I'm begging you, every one of you out there, this is just what's that? I don't know what to say, but just I want you all to know that I love this Firefly ever more than you